Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at how to fix your computer when it runs into startup problems that trigger the automatic repair screen on Windows 10 or 11. When you turn on your PC, you might see the preparing automatic repair message. It usually runs for a couple of minutes and then lands you on the automatic repair screen. This issue can happen for a few reasons like a sudden power outage or forced shutdown, problems with the Windows registry, boot file corruption, wrong or suspicious software installation, or even missing or damaged system files. But don't worry, in this video, I will walk you through 6 proven methods that can help you fix this and get your computer back to normal. If you haven't done anything yet, simply try restarting your PC. Sometimes Windows enters this loop by mistake and a reboot might fix it right away. If restarting didn't work, then the first thing you can try is running the startup repair tool. To do this, go to Advanced Options, then click on Troubleshoot, then again go to Advanced Options and here select Startup Repair. This tool will scan your computer and try to fix common problems that might be stopping it from starting properly. If this method works, your PC will restart and take you to the lock screen. If you haven't set a password, it will directly open the Windows 10 or 11 home screen. If that doesn't work, then it will bring you back to the blue automatic repair window or tell you that startup repair couldn't repair your PC. Now we are going to try fixing the boot issues using the command prompt. To get there, click on Advanced Options, then go to Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options again and this time select command prompt. Once it opens, you will see a black window. This is where we'll type some commands that help fix corrupted system files and other boot problems. All the commands you need are shown on the screen and also given in the video description. Now let's start with the first command. Type bootrec /fixmbr. Then hit enter. You will see a message that says the operation completed successfully. Next type the second command bootrec /fixboot and hit enter again. Once that's done, type the third command bootrec /scanos, then press enter. This will scan your system for installed operating systems. Now for the fourth command, type chkdsk /f/r/c:, then press enter. This command will check your disk for errors and try to fix them. Now type the fifth command sfc /scannow, then hit enter. This command checks for corrupted or missing system files and replaces them with the correct ones. You might see a message saying found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. Once all the commands are done, type exit and press enter to close command prompt. Now click the continue button to start your Windows. If this method worked, your PC should boot normally and you will reach the lock screen. Just enter your password and you will be back on your Windows 10 or 11 home screen. This method fixes the problem for most users. But if this still didn't work for you, don't worry, in the next method, we will try to fix the startup issue by restore point. For that, click on Advanced Options, then click on Troubleshoot. Now again click on Advanced Options. After that, you will see an option called Restore Point. Just click on it. Then it will do some processing here. Click on Next. Once you click on it, you will see all the restore points here if you created any or if the system made an automatic backup. Now it's a good time to use it and bring back your computer to a working state without losing data. Select the most recent restore point and click Next, then click on Finish. Confirm it by clicking on Yes. After clicking Yes, your system will start restoring the old registry file settings. Once it's complete, you will see System Restore completed successfully. Now click on Restart. After that, your PC will restart and there's a high chance it will open normally. Once you get to the home screen, you will see the same message, System Restore completed successfully. If this method not worked for you, now we will fix it using safe mode. This restarts your device in a limited state, loading only essential system files and drivers. This allows you to troubleshoot issues without the interference of third-party apps or software. For that, click on Advanced Option, then Troubleshoot, then again Advanced Option. Here you will see Startup Settings, click on it. Now you will see many options here including Safe Mode. Just click on Restart. After that, you will get many options with numbers. Here you will see Safe Mode option at number 4. To enter safe mode, you need to press 4 or F4 on the keyboard. Once you press 4 or F4, your PC will restart. Enter your password on the lock screen, then you will see a black Windows home screen. Now first click on the Start menu, then click on Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Here if you installed any new software or you have doubts about any suspicious app that caused the issue, simply uninstall it. If there's no suspicious app, close the window. Now go to your Windows search bar, type disk clean. Once you type it, you will see disk cleanup option in the search result. Click on open and it will start to scan temporary files. Here you will see all the temporary scanned files. Select all the options here one by one, then click on OK, then delete files. Once you click on it, it will clean up your disk and remove all the unnecessary temporary files. Once it's done, now simply restart your PC. Go to your Windows Start menu, then click on the power button and then click on restart. It will restart your system normally and you will be back to your Windows normal state. If this method also not worked for you, now we have an effective method that actually works for 99% in this problem. You need to reset your PC. For that, click on advanced option and then troubleshoot. Here you will see reset this PC option. Click on it. Then you will see two options here. Keep my files and remove everything. Select keep my files. This option keeps all your personal files safe and installs new Windows on your PC. Once you click on it, click on local install. Once you click on it, you will see a message here what will change after reset. Before resetting, read it carefully. If everything looks good, click on reset. Then your PC will start resetting. Now wait, it will take some time until new Windows installs on your PC. In this process, your PC will restart many times. When it's done, you will be back to your Windows. Enter your password and you will be taken to your home screen. So guys, these are the methods to fix automatic startup repair issue. If these methods don't work for you, then don't waste your time. Either do a fresh install of Windows using a bootable USB or visit a local computer repair shop for help. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe and also like the video. If you have any kind of query, just comment below. See you in the next video. Stay safe.